Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well today. I just want to say great job on the first couple days of school. You guys are really making a lot of progress, and I know things are difficult right now, but that's okay. We're going to get through them and we're going to have fun. So, what I wanted to do is I just wanted to make a quick video kind of going over the circle map that we did yesterday and how to create one in case you missed anything or if you forgot anything and need some extra help. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Your circle map, it's going to consist of two circles. You're going to have one in the center, and that's going to be what your topic is. So for yesterday, we were going over our goals for this first semester, and that was our topic. The outer circle here is going to list everything that pertains to that topic. So one of my goals for this year is to try not to stress too much, right? We are in a different learning environment. I know things are difficult right now, and I can be hard on myself sometimes, so I'm trying not to stress so much and realize that that's okay. So that's one of my goals for this year. So everything on this outer layer should be related back to your main topic. So let's go ahead and get into how you're going to create that circle map. First thing you need to do is open up a blank Google document. Once you have that Google document open, you need to go ahead and go to Insert, go down to where it says Drawing, and then select New. And then what should happen is you should get this checkerboard that pops up. This is going to allow you to draw right here your circles. If you go right here to where there is a circle and a square, that is your shape tool. If you select this, select Shapes, and go down to Circle, now you can draw a circle just by pressing down and dragging your mouse. If you hold Shift, it makes it into a perfect circle. So you're going to go ahead and do the first circle, and you can go ahead and move it, and you're going to click in the middle of it, and you can type in goals, since that is our topic. Now we need our outer circle. So we're going to do the same thing that we did for this first one. We're just going to go ahead and go to our shape tool, go to circles, and draw a bigger circle now that's going to go on the outside here. Now one thing I want you to notice is when I let go of this circle here to put it down, you're going to see that my goals disappear. What's happened is it's kind of like making a cake, or like in Photoshop, it's layering. Okay? Goals is still here, it's just behind this big circle. So what we need to do is we need to either bring goals to the front or put this big circle behind goals. So in order to do that, you're going to make sure that you have your circle highlighted, or whatever shape you drew. You're going to go ahead and go to Actions, select Actions, and then scroll down to where it says Order. And then since we're sending this big circle to the back, because we want goals in the front, you're going to select Send to Back. Now you have your goals in the front and your big circle here in the back. Now we need to type in what our goals are for this year. And in order to do that, you just need to select right here, there's a T in a little box. That is your text box. It's going to work just like when you create a circle. If you select it and you press down and you drag your mouse, you can create a rectangle or a square, and you can put text in that area. So once you went ahead and do that, go ahead and type in what your goal is. And then you can select off of it, and you can create another text box to put another goal. I hope this has helped, guys. If it doesn't and it's still confusing to you, please feel free to email me or reach out to me during office hours or even in class, okay? You all have a great day and keep up the good work.